Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a ta-da video that I have gathered. It is finished. I have knit the blazer collar. It is not folded, as you can see on me. It's not folded because being a plus size, but it can be folded on a small, medium. It depends on how oversized you would like it, but definitely will fit small, medium, large, extra large, up to 3 extra large. The yarn that I have bought was 3 kilogram. I used up the 200 gram, the 2 balls for the hat that I have crocheted, the bucket hat. I will pin the tutorial for both the blazer collar and the bucket hat. So if you want to make one for yourself, you are welcome to check my tutorials. And for the rest, I use 1 kilogram and 900 for the cardigan. I only have 900 gram left of the yarn that I bought, the 3 kilogram that I purchased. And I'm planning to make a vest with that, depending on the yarn. So I will make a top-down vest. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. And I forgot to mention the 10 buttons that I have sewn. Aren't they gorgeous? Bought it from Temu. I do have an unboxing, so check my unboxing. I do have a playlist for that. Yarn unboxing, anything that I purchased, supplies, yarn related, and so on. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.